Krishna's Kitchen Jatpat Khana. Let's see today.
For fenugreek leaf and papad sabji, let's see the ingredient. Take half a bunch of fenugreek leaf, half a teaspoon of cummin seeds, roasted cummin seeds, half a teaspoon of cummin and coriander powder mix, half to 1 teaspoon of sugar, less than half teaspoon of salt or as per your taste, and half a teaspoon of red chili powder or as per your taste, 1 tablespoon of oil, and 6 to 7 papad. You can get from Indian grocery stores. Chop this fenugreek leaf very fine. Take one bowl and add oil to it. Add this roasted cumin. And all this masalas. And now we will add this fenugreek leaf. I chop this fenugreek leaf and wash it very well. And now add to this and now we will add 2 tablespoons of water. And now we will put this fenugreek leaf in microwave for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes we will check it. Now we will roast the papad. It is roasted on one side, and now we will fix for other side. See, our papad is roasted. Add this papad and mix it well. This papad with fenugreek leaf I will once again put for 1 minute. If it's too dry, add little bit water. See, our sabji is ready. Fenugreek leaf with papad. Try this and have a good taste. You can eat this sabji with the paratha.
Have a good taste and thank you very much for watching this video.